Hey guys, welcome back to Claudia Cooks. Today's dish that we're going to cook is influenced by the Mediterranean, and it's a one-pan chicken bake with lots of vegetables, potatoes, garlic, butter, lemon juice, spices. Boy, this is going to be delicious. So let's get cooking. But before we start, all of the ingredients used in this dish will be listed in the link below for you. So come on guys, let's get going. Step 1, make sure you wash and dry your chicken. I have already washed my chicken with lemon and vinegar and I've pat dried it already. So now it's ready for about a tablespoon and a bit of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of the zest of a lemon, and now I've got 4 cloves of garlic that I'm going to grate into this. Time for the lemon juice. This is half a lemon. All of the seasoning. We've got oregano and we've got thyme in here as well. Sprinkle that all over. Time to massage it in. All of this beautiful spices. And once we've rubbed it in all well, we're going to cover it and we're going to put it in the fridge and we're going to let that sit there, if you don't have time, for 15 minutes, but if you've got longer, a couple of hours, and overnight is even better. Just a side note, the lemon juice is to tenderize the chicken and also give it flavor. And the zest of the lemon is another layer of lemony flavor, but it's the natural oil that comes out of the zest of the lemon, add another dimension of flavors to this dish. So we're all done now. It smells amazing. Oh my gosh. Now, as I said before, in the fridge covered, and then we'll come back. Next up is to pour some oil in a heated pan, and we're heating this pan up on medium high, and we're gonna let that heat up, and then we're gonna just sear our chicken pieces for about 2 minutes on each side. We are not cooking them because they're going in the oven, but I'm trying to get a bit of nice color on them before I put them in the oven. And as a side note as well, I use quite a bit of seasoning on my chicken, but if you don't want to use all of that seasoning, just put some salt and black pepper on there. That's still cool, and I'm sure it will taste just as great. Don't you just love that sizzle? It says time for cooking something great. Listen to that sizzle. It's time to turn them over. This is what we're looking for. We're just sealing them to keep the juices in, because we're going to finish them off in the oven because it's a 1-pot oven bake. Once this is done, we're going to go on to the next batch. Okay, we've finished the second batch, and now we're going to add the first lot back into the pan with the rest of the vegetables. time to add the chicken stock, but you can use water. We're going to add a few knobs of butter and the juices from the chicken pieces. So we're going to cover this, and I'm going to put it in the oven, and I'm going to let that cook for about 20 minutes covered, and then I'm going to take it off for the last 25 minutes and let it get some more color onto it. So I'll see you then, folks. And there you have it, guys. My one pot chicken pieces with potatoes, vegetables, lots of garlic, lemon, butter, olive oil, oregano, thyme, all of that goodness is all in this pot. And this is after 55 minutes. I've had to give my potatoes an extra 10 minutes, taking it up from 45 to 55 minutes. Doesn't that look yummy? Look at that, people. Wow, that looks absolutely scrumptious. I'm gonna let it sit for a bit, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how I'm serving it up for dinner tonight. And this is how we're serving it, with some tzatziki and some Greek salad. Enjoy. It's absolutely delicious.